Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. Bryant Barnes, he's not new on this channel, absolutely not, and he will be back here for sure. We're gonna land on this song, Two Sides of Goodbye. And like mostly, there are always two sides of almost anything, and even goodbyes. So let's go into this beautiful song from Bryant. And you can see here, no need for any capo. We have 5-6 chords, perhaps, something like that. So let's go through them like we usually do. We're gonna start with E minor, and that goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We're gonna continue with the A minor, and that will be open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have D7 next, open D, second G, first B, second E, and then we have the G, and that goes third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, third E. We have the C as well. That will be third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And there we have all the chords needed for the song. All right, so this is a piano-based song, and we're gonna translate this into a guitar with the strumming needed for the song. So if you grab the E minor first chord, one strumming around will be about 6 downs. So it goes like this. Okay, notice I'm playing on the bass strings pretty much all the time through this string pattern, except from the 4th down I go play on the high strings. So bass, 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 top, bass, bass. That is one string around. So that gives us a certain rhythm. It goes like this. Right, so we have to split this into different parts as well. So the first part will be the first 3 downs, and the second part the last 3 downs. All right, so let's go into the first verse. We're gonna play a chord progression of E minor, 1 string around, A minor 1, D7 1, and G1. And these 4 chords, E minor, A minor, D7, and G, you're gonna play for 2 rounds. So 1 round goes like this. E minor, A minor, D7, G, and 2 rounds of that. That's the first verse. Then into the pre-chorus at 21 seconds in. Heartbreak is a knife. That's where we are in the lyric, and I can agree. Now we're gonna play only 2 chords. We're gonna play C, 2 string rounds. And then G, you're gonna play 1 string around plus 1 down. So that's it for the pre-chorus. So C2, then G1, and 1 down plus a pause. And that pause builds up for the chorus that comes at 32 seconds in. How can you be so happy? That's the question. That's the lyric. Now we're gonna play G, 1 string around plus part 1, and then you're gonna go into the G F chord. I didn't show you that because it's pretty much 1 bass note shift there. So what you're gonna do here is to play G, 1 string around, like I said, then plus part 1, the 3 downs, and then you go to the 2nd fret E string. You can basically just go and play that note. Maybe incorporate the string below there of the 2nd A or just open A. Doesn't matter too much. It's just to play 3 downs on that bass note. That is the most important thing. So G, 1 full round plus part 1. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3 on that 2nd fret E string. And then you continue with E minor, 2 string rounds. A minor 2, and D7 2. That's 1 round, and then you play the 2nd round in the same way. 2 rounds of that, and that is the first chorus. After that comes the instrumental part, and what you're gonna do here is to play the verse play for 1 round. The E minor, A minor, D7, and G, 1 round. And that takes us to the second round of everything. Now, guys, it's just repetition. We have the second verse played exactly in the same way, and the same goes with the second pre-chorus and even the second chorus. And after that second chorus, we have the outro part left. And what you're gonna play here is the verse play. You have that E minor, A minor, D7, and G, but play only 1 down on the last G chord. So you play the strumming for E minor, A minor, D7, and when you come to that last G, you just play 1 down on that beautiful G, and that, my friends, wraps it up for Bryant Barnes' 2 Sides of Goodbye. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this, guys, and I'm gonna say 2 sides here of goodbye. See you soon, and until next time, play tuned.